1, 2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now.
Right there. Y'all don't wanna hear me, you just wanna dance. Don't want to meet your daddy. Just want you in my caddy. Don't want to meet your mama. Just want to make you come. I'm just being honest. Beyonce's and Lucy Lou's and baby dolls, get on the floor. Get on the floor. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. You know what to do. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture.
My